In this video, I will guide you how you can fix profile has some issues problem in your Facebook application. Now you need to first of all check if the Facebook is down by simply searching for down detector Facebook. Once you search for it, you just need to go for the first one and then see if there are worldwide issue or it is just you. Now if there are some problems, you need to wait for at least 24 hours and it will resolve itself. If the problem persists, first of all you need to check for the Facebook update. If there is any kind of update available on the App Store, simply search for Facebook and make sure to update your application. Once you are done, next step is you need to restart your phone. Once you have restarted your phone, sometime temporarily glitches can happen and a simple restart can resolve these kind of issues. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix profile has some issues problem in Facebook.